strength before the red and narrow. You heard the thunder shout, Meehal, Dubh, Mac-Giolla-Kierin, saw lightning streaming out o'er the purple hills of Erin, and bide you yet in doubt, Meehal, Dubh, Mac-Giolla-Kierin. Oh, down no more through Lydia's voiceful valleys, on Shannon shore freedom's burning spirit rallies. Earth and heaven unite in sign and omen, bodeful of the downfall of our foemen. Ferrut commands the north, Meehal, Dubh, Mac-Giolla-Kierin, Luth sends her heroes forth to hew down the foes of Erin. Swords gleam in field and gorth. My friend, there's a glorious goal before us. Here will we blend speech and soul in this grand chorus. By the heaven that gives us one more token, we will die or see our shackles broken. The Grampian hills, Meehal, Dubh, Mac-Giolla-Kierin, Charles, whose appeal yet thrills like a clarion blast through Erin. Charles, he whose image fills thy soul to Mac-Giolla-Kierin. 10,000 strong, his clans move in brilliant order, sure that ere long he will march them o'er the border, while the dark-haired daughters of the Highlands crown with wreaths the monarch of 3 islands. Mac-Giolla-Kierin, fill but right hours nigh, that shall give her own to Erin. Those who so sadly sigh, even as you, Mac-Giolla-Kierin, henceforth shall sing, hark! O'er heathery hill and dell come shouts for the king. Welcome, our deliverer, welcome. Thousands this glad night, ere returning bedward, will with us drink victory to Charles Edward.